Imagine earning money online just by viewing YouTube videos. All you have to do is click to watch a video and it starts playing the video, which you're gonna watch for about 15 seconds. And every video, you're going to be earning points which you're going to be able to exchange for real money through PayPal or whatever payment method you want. And I'm sure you guys watch YouTube all day, every day, and this isn't new to you. But then imagine just earning from it. I know you guys are extremely excited, so make sure you type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. It's free and it works all around the world, and there is no difference at all when you do it from your laptop or from your phone or from your tablet. It doesn't matter because you can use all these devices. You can sign up for free. You can start earning right away. So let's jump right into it. So this is going to be the best thing from this website. It's going to let us watch YouTube videos and earn points. Then we can swap it for real money. But don't get too excited because this is not the only platform that we're going to be using, okay? There's going to be one more thing that you have to do in order to be able to convert those points into real money. So make sure you watch it till the end. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Okay, so you're going to go onto the website, which is called AddMeFast.com. This website is just a social media engagement exchange marketplace where you're going to be able to trade YouTube views, YouTube likes, Facebook followers, among other things. And you're going to see how it can actually earn you money just by viewing YouTube videos. And as you can see, this is a network that's going to help you grow your presence in social media. And don't even worry, you don't need a branded YouTube channel or a large number of followers to be able to use it. You can start a completely brand new YouTube channel without a profile photo, without any views, without any subscribers, and you're still going to be able to make money just by watching videos. You don't need to publish any YouTube videos either to your YouTube channel or anything like that. And we're going to head on to the site's homepage and click on try it for free now. And this is going to take you to the page where you're going to have to obviously put in your email address, create a password, click on you're not a robot, and then you're going to sign up. And then a confirmation email is going to be sent to you. When you open the email, it's probably going to be in your spam folder if it's not on your main inbox. So make sure you check that as well. And then you're going to be able to log into your account after you're able to confirm. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. And the way it works is that regular people like you and me can go to the internet, sign up, and we can leave Facebook likes, for example, and Twitter followers, which we can follow on Twitter, TikTok, and other social media platforms. All you have to do is add your social media accounts by clicking add, and if we publish a Facebook photo, other people will like it, and in return, so it's like for like, follow for follow, sub for sub, and stuff like that. But you're not here to collect Facebook likes or followers or subscribers for any reason. You're here to watch YouTube videos and earn from them. And you can do everything here, including following other people on Instagram and getting paid for it. But we're only interested in watching YouTube videos. So we're just going to click on YouTube views and that'll take us to this page. As you can see, you can earn 40 points by watching this video for 150 seconds. All you have to do is click view video and watch the video for how many seconds you're going to be asked to view it. And then there's a countdown that's going to say it has to play for this amount of seconds. So we are just going to wait and stay on that page that long. And then our points will automatically be updated the moment we finish watching the video. We can try it again after the points have been updated. And all the points I get from watching YouTube videos can be exchanged for engagement on any other social media website, and you're gonna see how that's gonna make money for us. If you guys want to learn how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 a day, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have a surprise for you guys that we know you're going to absolutely love. So make sure you check our description box to earn more money online. Also, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see in our future videos because it'll be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas. So make sure you do that. And let's get back into the video. Now, By the way, on the right hand side, you are going to see a very good referral program. You're going to see if this is your referral link. If it's that, you can copy it and then inform people that they can sign up for the website as well. You can also leave your referral link, and if they sign up using your link, you're going to receive up to 300 points. You can also have a daily bonus. If you click on it on the left side, if you click on it, you can gain 500 and even more bonus points daily just to be active on the platform just by logging in every day. But that's not going to be available to you on your first day of joining up. So if this is your first day of signing up for this website, you're not going to be able to get that daily bonus yet. But when you come back tomorrow, you're finally going to be able to do that, get your 400 points for free to be able to maximize your results. And then you're going to go back to YouTube views and watch as many YouTube videos as you possibly can to really get the best results possible. All you have to do is click on the view video button, watch the video, collect the points, and I'm going to show you how you can make this into real money. Okay? Now, once you've collected enough points, you're going to be able to convert them to Facebook likes, and we'll just go through them really quickly. Okay, now we're going to go to PlayerUp.com, which you're going to have to deal with and use this. And this is a marketplace where you're going to be able to buy, sell, exchange social media accounts, and engagement. Now you have to scroll all the way to the bottom to a category that's named all other games or market locations, and then you're going to choose it, and then you can locate Facebook by clicking on the letter F, which you're going to find as soon as you click on it. And we can purchase and sell Facebook followers, friends, likes, subscriptions, views, shares, etc. But we are going to be focusing on Facebook likes, Facebook followers, and Facebook shares. So the moment I get back into Facebook likes right now, you're going to see that people are selling 100 Facebook likes for $4. And if you're going to do some exploring, you're going to see that other websites are selling Facebook likes for much more. Just to watch those videos on AddMeFast, you're going to be able to earn points that can be converted into Facebook likes, which you can sell for a large sum of money. So let's say 100 Facebook likes costs $4. That means you can sell 1,000 Facebook likes for more than $40. All you have to do is to go to PlayerUp.com and follow the instructions, sign up, and post your listing, and someone is going to pay you for that 1,000 Facebook likes. For example, in exchange, they're going to give you their Facebook page or post address, and you're just going to go onto the link of their Facebook page or their Facebook post, and if they want likes on their Facebook post, they're going to pay $4 for 1,000 likes. All you have to do is go back to that URL and go back to AddMeFast, click on add, and then select the type and put Facebook likes. The title, you can only put whatever you want, and then the page URL, and you're simply just going to paste the real post or page URL into this box and choose how many points that you want to give. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. So you're then going to click Save Changes. I just made $40 by viewing those YouTube films, and you can do that every single day. You can see all of those YouTube videos here. Under the YouTube views category, you can go out and view those videos, and by doing that, you can earn points that you can then sell on PlayerUp.com and make a good amount of money. Now, just to put everything in summary, you're going to visit AddMeFast. You're going to sign up for a brand new account. On the left side of your dashboard, you're going to click on YouTube views, and from there, you're going to be able to click on a view video to watch a video for 150 seconds or so. You're going to get points, and as soon as you've earned enough points, you can go on to PlayerUp, come over to Facebook likes area, list your Facebook likes for sale or whatever you have for sale. Players, Apples will pay you for your Facebook likes and give you their website. Go on over to Facebook likes category, post your listing by selling Facebook likes, and other people will pay you for those Facebook likes and will give you their URL. All you have to do is click that link, return to AddMeFast, and then you'll select add and specify how many points you'd like to give for those likes. And then you simply click on Save Changes. It'll then run on complete autopilot. Then their Facebook likes, you'll make money from it, and everyone is going to be happy. All you have to do now is do the process over and over again. Go back to YouTube views, watch as many reviews as you can in order to earn as much money as possible with AddMeFast, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.